Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls.
Children of voices.
Today, during tutorials, we're going to talk about division. We're going to start by using one-digit divisors. Where is the divisor in a division problem? Lady?
On the bottom. Alright. Like,
Here, let's draw one.
yeah.
We have this part, or this part.
The one inside.
Nope, that's the dividend.
No, that the one outside.
This is the divisor. That's the quotient.
Okay.
Quotient, divisor, dividend. Dividend is what is being divided. So we're going to work some with one-digit divisors first. And let's take 840 divided by 6. 840 divided by 6. So get a piece of paper, something to write with. Good. If you get a dry erase marker, you can write on your desk. That's fine. Evidently, you guys were surprised we were going to do work today since you weren't ready. Just saying.
Okay, yeah.
All right, ladies. Is 6 going to go into 8?
No.
Yet.
No,
Yes.
No.
Because 8 is equal to or more than 6. Which means I'm going to have a number above the 8, a number above the 4, and a number above the 0. My quotient is going to be 3 digits.
1.
My quotient is going to be 3 digits. How many times does 6 go into 8?
1.
One time. 1 times 8 is?
8.
Or 1 times 6 is?
6.
6. Subtract. What's 8 subtract 6?
8 subtracts 6.
2.
2.
2.
Bring down my 4. Does 6 go into 24?
Yes.
How many times?
4 times.
4 times.
4 times.
4 times 6 is 24.
Mm-hmm.
Subtract, you get a 0. So 14 is my answer, correct?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Wait, no.
We can check it. Let's check. Let's check. How do you check division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So if I take my quotient, multiply it by my divisor, it should equal the dividend, if we did it correctly. Okay, so 14 times 6. What is 6 times 4?
6 times 4 is
6 times
24.
24. Carry the 2. What is 6 times 1?
6.
Plus 2?
8.
8. Okay, so 14 times 6 is 84. Is 84 and 840 the same number?
No.
No. So what did I do wrong in this problem?
The 24.
24 is correct. Every time, I've got to bring down this 0. I didn't bring down this 0.
Oh.
Now, does 6 go into 0?
Yes.
0 times. Okay? This is the reason why at the beginning, I always put the lines so I know how many digits our quotient's going to be.
Okay.
I need this up here still, or you guys got it?
Yeah, we got it. Okay, wait. Thank you.
All of these that we divide, we're going to check with multiplication because it's the opposite. Okay, so all these we divide today.
What's the next one?
563 divided by 7. 563 divided by 7.
Doesn't go into 5. Wait, does
7 can go into 5, but 7 can go into 56.
So there's no number above the 5.
56 is...
So it has to be a 2-digit number.
Yep, 2-digit answer, very good.
But 7 can go into 56.
How many times? Look at your multiplication chart.
Oh, 8 times.
8 times.
Yes, 8 times.
And what is 8 times 7?
56.
56.
Parties after school?
Of course.
Good to know. All right.
There's a party going on right here. A celebration to last throughout the year.
Thanks for programming.
So have a good time. Okay, so we subtract. How many times is 7 going to go into 3?
7 is going to go into 3.
It can't. But I have to have a 2-digit number.
Mm-hmm.
So 7 doesn't go into 3, so I put a 0 there.
Okay.
And my remainder is 3.
Oh, so we multiply it to take it.
So if we want to check it,
We multiply it.
that's a good question. We multiply our quotient, which is 80, times our divisor, which is 7.
Yeah.
What up, Mr. W?
What up, Mr. W?
Yeah. Come on in. You want to be on TV?
Yeah, Mr. W.
Okay, so we take our quotient and we multiply it times our divisor. So what's 80 times 7? What's my 0 trick? Can I use it?
Yes.
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 So 80 times 0 is 0. It's always going to be 0.
7 times 8 is?
7.
64.
Nope.
What?
Nope! You didn't hear me when I said no the first time?
No. Yes, I did.
Oh, okay.
Wait, 563? No, you didn't hear me.
What is 8 times 7?
8 times 7 is 56.
56.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is 56.
Okay, now let me ask you this. 80 times 70, or 80 times 7 is 560.
Yes,
But why is my quotient, or why is my dividend here 563?
because that's your number to start out with. 3.
Good. I need to add my remainder.
You have to, so you can actually get the exact.
So if you have a remainder, you still multiply your quotient and your divisor, but then you add your remainder to that product.
Okay,
Okay? Let's try a couple.
I got it.
You get it, got it,
No.
good.
I said that.
Oh, let's take.
Are we done with that problem? Okay. Okay.
What is someone write on here?
Yeah. We're using it to write on stuff. Yeah, it's a
Are you
giant.
allowed to write on it?
All right, solve this one.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Solve this one.
Oh.
By yourselves?
By yourselves.
Okay.
816 divided by 8.
Boom.
Those of you at home, get a piece of paper out, solve this on your own. Parents, if you're watching, I expect you to solve it too. And then we'll go over it with the help of these lovely ladies who will help me.
Awesome. Good job, Carol.
If you're at home
Yeah.
and you haven't done your benchmark test on Think Through Math, you need to be working on that. Benchmark test for Think Through Math needs to be completed by September 19th.
Oh yeah.
I have about 24 of the kids so far that have done it. By September 26th, you have to have a minimum of 1 lesson passed. Okay, so far so good. We're all good.
One lesson?
One lesson.
So 8 can't go into 8.
Yeah, I can.
Oh yeah, it can go into it one time.
Yeah, one time.
So you put a 1
Good.
above the 8. And then,
She wants you to work it out, and then she wants her, so she doesn't want to hear you talking. She just wants to hear me talking.
Lady.
Because, you know, if you have a beautiful
You're
voice like
awesome,
I do.
Mr. McMurdo. You're the true and only
Hey,
one
can't go
Mr.
into
McMurdo
one.
who is famous. Lady.
That's why I picked this problem.
why?
Because
hard?
there's
It's hard.
something that you're going to miss accidentally.
Okay, 8.
Last year, my teacher, Mr. Bulliger, he taught us how to do division, and I forgot.
I'm
Because it's
so
really hard.
confused.
It's not hard.
This one's hard.
I think.
All right, well, let's do it together.
Okay, good.
Oh, let's go. All right, Tamara,
I got it. I got the
Yeah.
answer.
does 8 go into 8?
I got the answer.
You get one time.
One time. So I'm going to have a 3-digit number.
I got the answer.
So I have to have a number greater than 99, less than 999, because it's only a 3-digit number. All right, my quotient is going to be 3 digits. And you said 8 goes into 8 one time? Yes,
Yeah.
Jocelyn?
Yeah.
And then
Yep.
8 goes into 81.
We're not going into 81.
Oh.
We bring it down, we subtract, then we bring down the 1. How many times does 8 go into 1?
0 times.
0.
0 times. The mistake that you'll make is you won't put that 0 there.
Well, you have to put the 0 next to it. You
Yes.
have to bring down your 0. You have
Yes.
to bring down your number.
How many times does 8 go into 16?
2.
2. Maybe.
Now, if I were giving this multiple choice, one of my answers would be 12.
12. Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because people would divide it and they'd think, oh, I need to bring down the 6 instead of putting the 0 up there, and they'd mess it up.
Yeah.
All right, so Jocelyn, get to work on that.
How,
Let's check it by multiplying.
Oh, again.
how do you want to do math?
KISD, all lowercase, and then your ID is your username. So we'll multiply our quotient of 102 times our divisor of 8, and we should get our dividend. So type KISD and then your ID, all lowercase. And then the password is Keller. All right, what's 8 times 2?
8 times 2. 16.
16.
It's either I do my multiplication or
What's 8 times 0?
8, which added
8 times 0.
8 times 0 is 0.
0
Add
plus 1?
is 1.
Good. 8 times 1 is
8.
8.
So,
So does our product match our dividend?
yes.
Yes.
We did
Very
it right.
good. We did it correctly. We'll do one more with 1 digit. Now we're going to jump into some 2-digit stuff.
Yeah.
Because 2 digits fun.
Okay.
Let's take...
I did that right.
Wait, see, where's our
Is it not dry yet?
Let's take 776 divided by 7.
776 times.
776 divided by 7.
Okay, are we gonna do it by ourselves?
Yeah, start by yourself. Now, Jocelyn, you start with the benchmark test.
Mm-hmm.
There are about 30 questions, I think.
Yes, 30 questions.
All right. Do that to the best of your ability, which means you may need paper and pencil.
Ooh, how about I use my erase?
Or you use a dry erase marker.
That's a lot easier.
But I don't want you just trying to do it in your head, because that will be annoying. No, go. Just don't worry about this. I'm watching her do it. The kids that I'm not watching, then I want to see the work. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Jelly Bean?
Well, you can't see our work because the chairs are covering it.
Okay.
He needs a lady gentleman. So,
Does 7 go into 7?
One time.
Okay? That means I'm going to have a 3-digit quotient. A 3-digit quotient.
You
7
put a
goes
one
into
above the
7 one time. Subtract, I get a 0. Bring down. Remember, every time I bring down, that's when my next number is going to go right above that. Does 7 go into 7?
Does 7 go into 7?
Yes.
Yes.
One time. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract, I get a 0. 6. My next answer is going to be right above the 6. Right above the 6. Does 7 go into 6?
yeah.
No.
No. So what do I put above the 6?
0.
0.
Wait, did I really get it right?
And then you multiply 7 times 110.
Wait, I got a 6 after. How did I get
Okay, because this is going to have
It's
remainder 6.
six.
Remainder 6, yes.
Remainder 6.
Now, can we use our 0 rule?
Yes.
Yes. This factor ends in a 0, so I just put a 0 there.
Yeah.
Then I can do the rest in my head. 77 times, or 11 times 7 is 77.
Yeah.
Didn't have to do anything. But wait a minute. My product here is 770. My dividend here is 776. So what's wrong? What did we not do?
We didn't add the 0. We didn't add a remainder.
We didn't add our remainder.
What's a password?
What are you getting on,
What's
Lainey?
the password for this
The computer or for Think Through Math?
computer?
The username is your ID.
Oh, she has that one that has the. It says the Keller ASD / someone's number.
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to get a different one. Somebody did not log out of that computer. Jerks.
Because they weren't listening to the fractions.
Yeah, they weren't listening to their teacher.
Bad student.
All right, let's do on with 2-digit. Let's do 180 divided by 12. $180 divided by 12. All right, Tamara?
Yes?
Is 12 going to go into 1?
No.
No, I'm not going to have a number above the 1. Tamara, is 12 going to go into 18?
Yes.
Yes. My answer is going to have 2 digits. So it's greater than 9,
So
but
it's
less than 100.
12 can only go into 18 one time.
One time. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract, it's 6. Bring down my 0. Can 12 go into 60? It can. We just got to figure out how many times.
Oh, I'm sure.
I know. How many times, Jocelyn?
6 times.
All right, well, let's check.
Okay.
12 times 6. 2 times
Tell
6 is 12.
Your birthday.
72.
72.
So is 72 going to work?
Wait, let
No.
me write down
Too
this.
high.
Too high. So what should we try now?
Let's see. 4.
3 initials and the numbers for your birthday.
Okay. Oh, we should
So,
try
like,
4.
Okay, let's try 12 times 4. What's 12 times 4?
12 times 4.
Times
So
4.
2 times 4.
So 2 times 4 would be
It's
8.
48.
Okay, so 12 times 4 is 48. That looks too low,
5.
doesn't it? Times
So
5. So 12 times 5. 10, carry the 1, 60.
I got it correct.
Well, 12 times 5 is 60. Subtract, we get a 0.
Okay.
So I get a quotient of 15.
It's your
For what?
birthday. Your 2 initials or your 3 initials?
Yes, your 3
and your
initials
birthday.
and then your birthday.
But that was the username.
No, the username's your ID.
Oh.
You asked for password. I told
Lady,
you
what are you
password.
doing? Are you doing this or think your math?
Oh, let's take.
These are some.
Let's take 412 divided by 18.
Okay. What are you doing?
You alright working this double digit, huh?
No, that's for tutorials.
Gerald, how are you in math?
Good.
She was pretty good.
Shit.
Yeah.
Her sister,
Some mess.
her math was not her subject. It's still not. Like,
Her sister's gonna hear this because I'm recording it for YouTube. Just so you
oh,
know.
I'm sorry.
No, I don't care.
Oh, okay.
I don't care.
My
Come
bad,
in.
my bad.
Talk.
Yeah. Hi, Skylar. If you ever hear this, much love to you. Alright.
Lainey, show Skylar.
Alright.
All right, later, man. All right, we have 412 divided by 18. Does 18 go into 4?
Yes.
18.
No.
It doesn't go into 4.
No.
Does 18 go into 41?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm going to have a 2-digit answer.
Okay.
I'm going to have a 2-digit answer.
Okay.
So now I got to do a little guessing and checking, do a little estimating, do a little thinking. What's 18 close to?
18 is close to
20.
It's close to 20.
Yeah.
Can you count by 20s?
Yes.
Yes. So one $20 bill is how much?
20.
2 $20 bills is how much? 40. 40 is pretty close to 41.
Yeah.
So let's take 18 times 2 and see what we get. Remember, we want to get as close to 41 as we can without going over.
Okay.
Okay, 40.
18 times 2. So figure that out for me.
So 8 times. Sorry.
No, go ahead. Figure it out.
Load.
16.
Times 2 is 16.
And
2 times 1 is 1.
3. It's
3.
It's 36.
So it would
It's
be
36. Is that pretty close to 41?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to guess, or I know it's 2 here, above the 1, because I'm taking it into 41. I have 36, and I subtract. 41 subtract 36. So do that for me and tell me what you get.
Okay.
Tell me what you get, and you don't throw a fit.
15.
15. It's not 15. No. Can you do 1 subtract 6?
No.
No. You can't do 1 subtract 6.
Oh.
You have $1. Give me 6.
Oh.
You can't
I
do that.
can't do
No.
that.
So you have to borrow from the 4. Make that a 3. So now we have 3 there, and this 1 becomes an 11.
I didn't know you can do whatever that's called in division. I got 300.
You're doing subtraction now.
I got 374.
Then you did something wrong.
Okay.
I don't know what you're doing. Because you're subtracting. 41 subtract 36.
I did subtract.
If you have $41 and you're taking away from it, you're not going to get bigger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I have $41 in my pocket. Jocelyn comes up and
So
says,
it's 5.
"Give me $36." And then
Give me $36.
and then I say, "Here you go. You have 500." That doesn't make any sense. You're crazy.
Thank you very much.
We have 5. We bring down the 2. Now, my next number is going to go right above the ones place there. How many times is 18 going to go into 52? Is it going to be more than 2?
Yes.
Yes. Because we get 36 there. So Tamara, what do you want to try?
What do I want to try?
Yeah, 18 times what? Let's as close as we can get to 52 without going over.
Oh,
18.
You're not.
You're not me.
You're not her,
okay.
and she's not you. She's all that in a bag of chips.
You're not.
Yeah, to me.
All right, help me.
I'm kidding.
What do you want to multiply by?
5.
5. Let's see what 18 times 5 is. Let's remember though, 18 was close to what?
18 was close to 20.
20. One $20 bill is how much?
One $20 bill is 20.
Two $20 bills is how much?
40.
Three $20 bills is how much?
60.
60. So 5 $20 bills is going to be 100.
Yes.
100's way more than
It's
52.
100.
Yeah, so that's too big, right?
Tamara.
That's way too big here. So now I know my answer is going to
I'm
be,
using my fingers. Thank you, John.
my answer here is going to be between 2 and 5. So my ones place is going to be between 2 and 5.
Okay.
So what do you think?
No, I just erased the problem.
2 and 5. I think it would be.
You're not me.
You're not
Be
her.
Quiet.
Be quiet. She's all that in a bag of chips.
You're not.
You're working on TTM. Think through a minute.
So 18. 18.
So it's got to be between 2 or 5.
4.
Okay, so let's see 18 times 4. 4 times 8 is 32. 2, 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. So that's still too big.
Okay, then I'll try 3.
3. So let's try 18 times 3.
It's not 3.
What's 3 times 8?
3 times. 22.
22. Put a 2 there and a 2 there. What's 3 times 1?
3.
Plus 2? 5.
25. 52.
52.
Add
So
another.
it's, 23, sorry. So my answer is 23. Multiply, get a 52. Subtract and get a 0.
So your answer is.
Easy peasy raw chicken bubble gum. Let's check it.
What?
Let's check
I
it.
thought you already checked it.
No, I'm going to check it by multiplying my quotient times my divisor.
Okay.
So 23 times 18.
Oh, can I solve this one?
Yeah, solve this
Okay.
one. We'll wait.
Tell jokes.
All right, stop.
What?
Collaborate and listen.
Oh!
Rice is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flow like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I glow to the extreme. I rock a mic like a vandal, light up the stage and watch it chump like a candle. Dance.
You remind me of my mother. Even though you're a boy, but you still listen to the song.
Oh yeah.
She knows
Okay.
the whole entire song. And I think I don't know what she's saying, but it's really hard to follow her.
Yeah. Adults, we talk so fast.
Yes, yes,
Yes, Lainey.
This computer's not working.
I'm sorry.
I don't.
Can you?
It's 414.
Well, let's check. What's 8 times 3?
8 times.
Now it works.
Wait, what?
We've messed up somewhere. If you got-
24.
Okay, we've messed up somewhere then.
What?
What's 18 times 3?
18 times.
We messed up 18 times 3.
22.
No. 18 times 3. What's 8 times 3?
Well, 8 times 3 is 24.
This is killing me.
What's 3 times 1?
3 times 1 is 3 plus 2.
2 is.
Is 5. 5.
Okay, so this is 54, which is too big.
Yeah.
So we need to go back to 2.
What did I do?
No, I mean, we all made the mistake. Probably because Jocelyn's piping in back there and not paying any attention whatsoever. Because she's doing what she's supposed to be doing and trying to do this too. But I remind her of her mom. Okay, so it's 2 times 18. We've already done that. 2 times 18 is what?
2 times 18. Okay. 16.
Well, we've already done it up here. That's why I don't erase my work.
Oh, it's 36.
It's 36. And then we have to subtract 36 from 52.
And so that's take that 4 away. That's 12, and 12 take away 16.
So I get 22, remainder 16. So let's see, now if we did this right, see that's why you check it with multiplication, because you did the multiplication and we found out we had it wrong. Okay, so if we take 22,
But what's my multiplication, right?
your multiplication was right, yeah.
Okay.
But it wasn't the same thing as our dividend, which told us that we made a mistake somewhere here. Okay, so Tamara, what's 2 times 8?
2 times 8, it's 16.
16, carry my 1. What's 2 times 8?
16.
Plus 1?
17.
17. I'm done with my ones place, done with what I carried. Since I'm moving to my tens place, I want my number to be there.
And then
1 times 2 is 2.
Drag the 2's down.
I add that. I get 6. 9. 396. So we still have done something wrong. So we have still done something wrong.
What did we do?
Oh,
wrong?
what did we do wrong?
I don't know.
Oh, I know what you did wrong.
Oh, you need to add the 16.
We need to add the 16.
This is broken too.
No, it's not. Stop.
There we go.
Oh.
So we got it right. All you have to do is
I
adjust the
have
screen.
bad words. I have like bad.
So we got it
Adjust
right.
the screen, Mr. McMurdo said.
Don't worry about it. She already turned it off.
No, you didn't.
Okay? So Tamara, you're getting this, right?
Yes, I get it.
Because you're smarter than the average bear.
What is the average?
I don't know, it's an old TV show. Yogi Bear is smarter than the average bear. At a picnic basket, you will find him there.
How about Flipper?
Let's take
My mom loves Flipper.
2,740 divided by 83.
That's a big number.
That is a big number. Man. Will 83 go into 2?
No.
No. Will 83 go into 27?
No.
No. Will 83 go into 274?
Yeah.
Yes. My quotient is going to be 2 digits.
Okay, that's better.
It's just going to be 2 digits, but I only have to do one at a time. So 83 into 274. 83 is close to 80. So
Yeah.
can we count by 80? 80.
I can't count by 8.
Count by 8s.
I can't
I
count
can
by 8.
count.
Then look at your multiplication chart.
Oh, 8.
Shh.
8, 16, 24, 32.
All right, stop.
40.
So 80 times 4 was 32, right? So 8 times 4 was 32.
8 times.
So 80 times 4 would be 320. That's too big.
Yeah.
So let's try 83 times 3.
Is it raining? Look
I don't know. Do I look like a weatherman?
Yes, you
Yes,
do.
you do.
What's 3 times 3?
3 times 3 is 9.
9. What's 3 times 8?
8 times 3 is 24.
Okay. Okay, so this is 249. Is it less than 274? Is 249 less than 274?
Yes.
Yes. So now we subtract. Can I take 9 from 4? No. So that 7 becomes a 6. And that 4 becomes a 14. What's 14 minus 9?
14 minus 9. I need a paper.
No, you don't need a paper. Start with 9. We're going to count up to 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
This is
5.
really
5.
good.
What is 6 minus 4?
6 minus 2.
2. Okay, so we said 3 was correct. 3 times 83 we said was 249. We subtracted, we got 25, which is less than 83, so that works. We bring down our zero.
Why do these take so long to load?
I don't know, because they're
Go
old.
get another one.
This is our last problem, and then we're done. Okay, 83. Except I think I told your mom 4, didn't I?
Oh.
I might have told your mom I'd stay till 4.
That was my mom.
Is that your mom? Okay,
Oh, then can I stay till 4?
sure.
Yay.
All right, 83 into 250. So let's count by our 8s again. 8,
8,
16,
16,
24,
24.
32.
Wait, what are we counting by?
8s.
Okay. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40.
Okay, stop. 32 is too big, right? Because
Yes.
80 times 4 is 320. How many times do you think 83 is going to go into 250? Knowing that we kept our work, what we did over here, does that help you out at all?
249.
So it's going to go in 3 times, right? 3 times 83, we already worked out, it's 249.
And then you check it with multiplication.
Then we check it with multiplication. So we're going to do 83 times 33. What is 3 times 3?
9. I'm going back to this.
What is 8 times 3? So you don't have a specific time and everything for that?
I have it, but it's for the.
Okay.
I have
I
a
just-
little.
I just had a mom ask, so
If you
I just tell
pour-
her to be undetermined.
Yeah.
Alright. So 8 times 3 is
24.
24. Okay, I'm done with my ones place. I'm moving to my tens place.
And 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 8 is 24.
Awesome. Do you see how the ones place was 249, but the tens place was 2,490?
Yeah.
Okay, so we check. We have 9, 13, 7.
Are you subtracting or adding?
I'm adding. Because I'm finding the product of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. Now I have 2,739. Why is it not the same as 2,740?
Oh wait, I don't.
Because we did it wrong. You need
No.
to add a 0.
Because we didn't add our remainder in.
Oh yeah, you need to add the remainder.
And that'll give us 2,740.
And so now we did it right.
So we did it right.
So
Very good.
so you should like put like a plus sign near the remainder.
Yeah, so you just add the remainder in. And it should, after you multiply your quotient times your divisor, and then if you need to, you add your remainder in when you get the product of that. Okay? Boom shakalaka. Peace out. Love you all. Be blessed.
Yeah.